Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are going to walk through how to get authorization or travel to Liechtenstein. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, the country of Liechtenstein, which is also called Principality of Liechtenstein, does not offer its own visas. But in order to reach this place, you have to pass through Switzerland. So that means if you want to come to this country, you have to go through Switzerland. So if you have authorization to enter Switzerland, you have the authorization to enter this Liechtenstein as well. So in order to show this to you, I have opened the embassy website of the Principality of Liechtenstein, Washington, D.C., which is closest to me. So where they have clearly written that does not issue visas on its own, and there are no border controls between this and Switzerland. So the same visa requirements apply uh, to this country as Switzerland. So that means if you're authorized to travel to Switzerland, you can go. So like if you hold a passport for a country, let's say Canada, that does not require a visa to travel to Switzerland, then you can go to this country too. At the same time, if you are from a country that does need a visa to travel to Switzerland, so the same applies for this country as well. Okay, so that's how it works, guys. Again, staying there longer, like uh, and doing other activities need a residence permit. For that, I will try to publish a different video in future. I cannot say when. So that's how it works, guys. So I hope this clarifies the information. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.